Hey boys and girls, welcome to Goron Guitar. We have Jeff Satur. It's first time here on this channel, and yeah, what a great artist. I love this song and it really spoke to me. Tell Me the Name, that's the title of the song. A little bit mysterious, and for that song I'm using this deep blue, a little bit mysterious color on this Ovation silver line. Check out my tutorial on Gordon Gear. Now let's go into this song, and as you can see, we don't use any capo here because we are working with just bar chords. Yeah, the bar chords for this specific song with these chords are actually easier in my opinion, and sounds even better than not using bar chords. So therefore we're going with the three chords: D minor, the A sharp, and the A. So starting with D minor first, we have your 5th fret here, barred. Use your index finger and push down the first 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add 7th on D, 7th on G, and 6 on B. There you have your D minor. Then we go up to this position. That is the A sharp. So you place your index finger now on the 6th fret and you push down all strings there. Then you need to add 8 on A, 8 on D, and 7th on G. And from there on, you're going to go to A. You take the very exact same grip and just slide it 1 fret down the hill. So you land with the index finger now on the 5th fret, and everything follows there. 7th on A, 7th D, and 6th on G. So there you have the chord progression from D minor to A sharp to A. Alright, and it just rolls like that. Now let's go into the strumming, and we have a 2-part strumming here. So D minor will be playing the full strumming, and then we have the A sharp and A will play just a part of it. So the D minor sounds like this. Alright, so you're gonna start with 3 downs. That's the first part. So you play like this. Okay, so the first 2 downs are on the bass string, and then you go down to play all the way down to the higher strings on the 3rd. So that's the first half, and then comes up, down, down, down. So you play almost the same there, but you just throw in an up first on the higher strings, and then you play down, down, down. Bass, bass, top. Alright, so that's the second part. So down, 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 up, down, down, down. Okay, and then you go to the A sharp here and play just part 2, the up, down, down, down. And that's it for A sharp, and then you go to A and play again part 2, up, down, down, down. And then you start all over again. So D minor, A sharp, and A. And if you keep that rolling a couple of rounds, it sounds like this. Alright guys, so that's it. Jeff Satur, Tell Me the Name. And yeah, I'm pretty sure he will be back here. That was the first time now. I think we gotta have him back here because he has a huge following, and seems to be cool songs as well. So yeah, if you like Jeff, then make sure you subscribe to this channel, and see you soon guys. Till next time, play tuned.